Imagine your mind as a garden. You have the power to choose which seeds to plant, those of virtue or those of vice. Focus on nurturing the seeds of wisdom, courage, and self-discipline. Weeds, representing external events and distractions, may grow, but it's your choice to pull them out and not let them overrun your garden. True contentment is found in tending to your own garden, not in comparing it to others. Just as a gardener cannot control the weather, you cannot control external circumstances. Instead, focus on your own actions and reactions. The beauty of your garden depends on your efforts and choices. When you accept this, you find peace. Remember, the weeds may come, but they do not define the garden. It's your continuous effort and care that shape it. Focus on your own efforts, not on others. Help others by sharing your wisdom. Together, we grow stronger. The beauty of our gardens reflects our shared efforts. In tending to our own gardens, we find true peace and contentment.